Hi everyone, this is Jasper from EvMac. In this video, I will introduce
CRRC mining dump truck electric motor products. CRRC supply both electric wheel traction motor and alternator for diesel-electric mining dump truck and pure electric models.
CRRC not only supply alternative electric models
to replace products from GE, Skoda, and other major brands, but also offers customized solutions to meet specific customer requirements.
By optimizing the design, CRRC electric wheel models,
electromagnetic performance, and structure are ensured to be reasonable so as to make the motor smaller in size, lighter in weight, and compact in structure, so as to solve the technical problems such as tight installation space between the electric wheel motor and the hub, strict size limitation, and large motor output torque.
CRRC mining dump truck electric model covers
a wide range of capacities, including 35 tons, 60 tons, 90 tons, 110 tons, 190 tons, 220 tons, 240 tons, 290 tons, and 360 tons electric wheelers. The serialization and modularization platforms are built to accelerate the process of localization, realize import substitution, and our products have been exported to dozens of countries, including Chile and Australia. As the strategic partner of CRRC electric motor for overseas market, EvMac provides customized solutions based on our rich experience and resources. You are welcome to contact our professional service team to learn about the quality products we offer.
As the professional solution provider for the China machinery and the equipment industry,
EvMac is the key for global partners to enter the Chinese machinery and equipment market. Our exploration of electrification began in 2018. After years of development and accumulation, we have deeply participated in dozens of projects.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact EvMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.evmac.com.